Vanakkam and welcome back. Ikeja bus terminal in Lagos State near the Lagos domestic airport, constructed in 10,000 square meters, commissioned in the year 2018 by the President of Nigeria. Let's see what it is. I am now standing inside the complex of Ikeja bus terminal. It's a newly constructed site with lot of buses painted with white and blue colors paraded for their regular journey. Behind me you can actually see them. This terminal serves as the hub of all transport activities in Ikeja zone. Estimated to carry up to 50,000 passengers daily, the service plies between two different points, namely Oshodi to CMS, which runs 24 kilometers in distance. And this facility is equipped with ITS, which is Intelligent Transport System, aiming to provide the most innovative services. The complex also houses a fully air-conditioned terminal, food courts, shops, ATM gallery, free Wi-Fi and a proper cinema hall. The buses that you're seeing behind me are one of the means of transport intercity. Each bus is estimated to carry roughly 30 passengers at a time. The cost is approximately 500 naira, which is $1.5 US. Being the capital of Lagos, Ikeja is one of the prominent places here. This facility has been effectively built inside this whopping 10,000 square meter landmass. We get to see sanitary workers sweeping the roads in Lagos. They are from the Lagos Waste Management Agency, LAWMA. The highways have a separate lane for all the BRT buses to pass. Any other vehicles entering into this area using this path is considered to be an offence. One good thing noticed here is the queue system followed in the bus shelters. Passengers forming queue before boarding is one interesting thing to watch. The bus terminal serves as the hub of all transport activities within the Ikeja zone, which is serving over 50,000 daily passengers. I could see a lot of cars parked here. I was told that those who take this bus route from this terminal use this parking and drive home from here. People do have a wrong notion about this country. It's more of a hype, I would say, as to how it looks like, how do they live, what do they eat, blah blah. It's quite natural. It has always been known for a wrong reason. But since I am living here, I feel I should try my best in showing the best part of it also. You know, every moment is a challenge and we have accepted it. A lot of good facilities have started coming into Nigeria. Metro railway work is under progress. Roads are becoming wider. Many buses have been added to the fleet, increasing the mobility. So over a period of time, say 5 to 10 years from now, the country would look more promising and we could witness a bigger and a brighter Nigeria. Alright folks, this is a small story I wanted to share with you all. Share your thoughts in the comment box and subscribe to my channel. See you with something more interesting. Stay safe. And before I wrap up, a big shout out to all those frontline warriors fighting against COVID to protect us. Keep it up guys.